I wish happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko dapat lumaki ka mabuting bata na mukha sa akin. Hi, Migo! Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana lumaki ka mabuting bata. Happy birthday, Migo! Enjoy your birthday! Happy birthday,
Migo, happy birthday! Stay guwapo. Happy birthday, Migo. Happy birthday, Migo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Migo. Ina pa.
Happy birthday, Migo! Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana lumaki kang malusog, be smart like nanay, and good boy like tatay. Sana, pag nakauwi ka na, payagan ka nila sa akin para ipapasyal kita! Yay! Happy birthday, Migo!
Happy birthday, Migo. Sana tuloy-tuloy din tayo healthy, pati yung paglaki mo. And sana makatakbo ka na para mas matagal ka ng payagan sa swing. Hindi ko na rin wish na pumogi ka kasi kita naman na. So, siguro, sana mas pumogi ka lalo. Mas pogi pa kay Tito. Happy birthday, Migo.
To our little cutie patuti namin pamangkin, happy birthday, Bembe Migo. Wishing you nothing but the best. Basta lumaki ka lang ng mabuting bata and also malapit sa Diyos, just like your mom and dad. I love you so much, Bembe, and I miss you, mama.
Happy birthday, Migo. More years with full blessing, joy, and happiness. Happy birthday, Migo. Happy birthday, Migo. More years with full blessing, joy, and happiness. Happy birthday, Migo.
Happy birthday, Migo. Sana lumaki na may takot sa Diyos at makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Tito loves you. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Migo. Happy first birthday. Wish ni Tita Mel sa'yo, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Mahalin mo yung nanay at tatay mo, si Mama Ket, mga tita-tita mo. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Happy first birthday.
Hi, Migo. Happy first birthday. Sana lumaki kang healthy at may pag-alam sa mga magulang mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Migo. See you soon. Bye.
Happiest birthday, Migo. Wishing you good health always at sana be good always paglaki mo. Happy birthday! Happiest birthday, Migo. Wishing you good health always at sana...
Hi, Migo. Apo, happy first birthday to you. Sana lumaki ka ng mabait na bata at laging may malusog na pangangatawan. God bless you and I love you, Migo. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Super Migo! Sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng marami pang birthday. Stay handsome, pogi. I love you. I miss you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Migo! Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata, may takot sa Diyos, good health, and palaging may respeto sa magulang. We love you, Migo!
We love you, Migo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Migo!
Happy birthday, Migo.
Nawa, lumaki kang mabuting bata, maging masunurin sa magulang, at may takot sa Diyos. Happy birthday! Love you!
Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to my one and only nephew, Migo! You brought so much joy into our lives in just 1 year. Watching you grow is such a blessing. I love you, anak. This is Mommy Jane. I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Migo. Sana, i-wish ko kaya ka sana mag-anak kang anak, matalino, malusog, kaluguran ka.
Happy birthday, Migo! We love you. See you soon. Congrats.